Hey, welcome. This is Lee Murray. It's so nice to have you here. Thanks for coming on over. And you should be very grateful to whoever sent you here because they may have just changed your entire life, okay? And I'm not just being hyperbolic here. PassiveClass, especially like in its current, what's the word? Incantation? No, what's the word? You help me out. In its current form, okay? Its current manifestation, it is ridiculously powerful for anybody, especially newbies, or even newbies, to prosper from in a huge, huge way right out of the gate. Now, I want to show you something here real quick. This Warrior Plus, this is the PassiveClass in August of 2008, and it has gone on to do well at a 42% conversion rate and an 83-cent EPC. 83-cent EPC is mighty, mighty impressive for something with a free front end, okay? So PassiveClass is free on the front end. You're going to send people to PassiveClass, and you're using it as your lead capture system of sorts. Now, you can capture leads, and I give you that opportunity to do so inside of PassiveClass. We're going to talk about what PassiveClass is in just a moment. I just wanted to spell something out for you real quick. There are two ways that you can use PassiveClass. You can use it just as an affiliate, or you can use it as a list builder. Okay. Now you can use it as your lead magnet and I even include a squeeze page for you to use, but it is an upgrade if you want to use my video squeeze page, but it's only $10. Okay. But more on that in just a moment too, because that's important. That's important to know. But the thing is, what PassiveClass is it's a 10-day coaching program. It's a 10-day course that teaches people from scratch, from the very ground floor, how to build a sustainable online business in as few steps as possible. Okay, we're not looking to build out a huge website. We're not looking to get lost in infrastructure. I mean, how many times have you gone to set up a business model or a business plan and you just get lost in setup? It gets tiresome, it gets confusing, it gets overwhelming, and then you quit. Okay, with PassiveClass, we want to do this in as few steps as possible. Now, it's also, in addition to being that 10-day coaching program, it's also an affiliate program in and of itself where you send traffic my way, and then I go to work every day. As soon as they opt into PassiveClass, as soon as they sign up for free, okay, every day they receive a new email from me, and that email takes them to that day's video coaching lesson. In both the email and the video coaching lessons, I promote the upgrades because the upgrades make PassiveClass more profitable. They make it more profitable for you. They make it more profitable for those you send my way. Okay? Now, I said that we could use it as an affiliate program, which is kind of like a lead capture system because I'm capturing the leads, but I'm doing marketing on your behalf. Because as they buy those upgrades, they're doing so through your links. You are cookied, so you get those affiliate commissions even if they buy 30 days from now. Okay? And so that's hot, and I do like great marketing there. I do great marketing. I mean, you could see 83-cent EPC on cold traffic. This is a cold traffic program. And we're getting 83-cent EPCs with a free front end. That's just crazy. And we don't have high ticket offers in there. So it's not like I randomly made like a $900 sale and that's skewing these results. The most expensive upgrade we have of our 5 upgrades is $47. Okay? And so we earned this 83-cent EPCs through massive conversions, through ongoing beautiful conversions like you see here, okay? And so, you will make money just promoting PassiveClass as an affiliate. But if you really want to ramp up your results, our upgrades include a lead capture system, a 30-day follow-up email series, everything written by me personally. And again, I've been doing this since 2013, professionally, full-time. I've been making money online since 2008. Quit my job 5 years. It took me 5 years to quit my job, and I've been going 8 years beyond that. Okay, I haven't had a job in 8 years. It's been fun. It's been good. Okay, and I want to help you reach those similar kinds of results. And so, included in my upgrades is a lead capture system, 30 done-for-you follow-up emails, an email club where I give you 14 fresh emails to use every single month. And then there are just other upgrades, including earning yourself 100% commissions throughout the funnel. Because right now it's set for 50%. So you get to double your earnings with one small investment, really. So that's you as a customer. You get those benefits. You as the person who's participating in PassiveClass, those upgrades are going to benefit you in a huge way when the people that you refer to PassiveClass, and I know that's red flag language for some people. They don't like the word refer because it gets them thinking about BizOps and MLM. This is neither of those, okay? This is just a lead capture system and a single tier affiliate program. Nothing more than that, okay? But so rest assured, there's nothing weird about this. There's nothing illegal, unethical, or even like walking the line. This isn't even gray hat. It's totally white hat. Totally anybody can plug into this. It's just a lead capture system. You're going to build your leads, or I'm going to build my own leads and send you sales, okay? So I'm providing you a service, and I'm providing you with done-for-you tools that will enhance that service, okay? But when you send people my way and they take advantage of the upgrades, you earn those commissions, which will, if you're buying traffic or anything like that, it will offset, or at least help to offset, your ad costs. And then the follow-up emails should break you even and then well beyond. Okay? Now, I know why most of you are here right now, and that is because of my new Rotator opportunity, where I do everything for you for free for a month. And what I mean by I do everything for you is I don't set up any like lead capture system for you. That's a lot of work. It's not a lot of work for you to do it, but if I had to do like 100 of them for everybody who wanted to take advantage of them, then that's really labor intensive, and I'm not willing to do that. But when I say I'll do everything for you, I mean PassiveClass is set up for you. I do the marketing via PassiveClass, and then I will actually send the traffic to your PassiveClass, either affiliate link or squeeze page, whichever of the two options you choose. We'll talk more about that in the members area. So go ahead and you know, click the button whenever you're ready to get in there. Okay, and we'll get started. But I just wanted to explain this to you really quick. You're going to end up in my Rotator. I've already shown this, I believe, but this is my blog, and in my blog, I promote and write to my blog every single day. Okay? I send out an email leading people to my blog every single day, and we're talking about, as this thing is growing, we're going to be sending thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions of clicks to this blog on a monthly basis, okay? And whenever somebody decides to join PassiveClass, or they decide to, either, you know, opt into your list or join PassiveClass through your affiliate link, they're going to be doing so through this, and then I'm going to have other advertising on the blog as well. So there's going to be multiple opportunities, and you will be in a Rotator, but you don't have to do any work. All you have to do is give me your link. And that can be your squeeze page link, or it can be your PassiveClass affiliate link. Now, there are limited spots. I can't do this for 5,000 people, right? Or else there's not going to be enough exposure. People aren't going to be making enough money. So I'm limiting it to 100. Okay, 100 free participants. And then after the first month or two, those of you who are really like making some money with this, which is going to be a lot of you, if not most of you, hopefully all of you. But the point is, if you want to stay in my Rotators beyond that first initial free month, then it is going to, you can do so for a fee, and it's going to be a very, very small fee. We're talking less than $50, okay, for an entire month in the Rotator, and you're only going to do that if that free month did well for you, okay, or if you see the potential. So, because the business is going to grow. So even if, you know, when you, as a free member, you make 10 or 20 bucks, it may be worth it to invest at 27 bucks because the next month is going to be better. Each month is going to be better than the previous month, okay? So that's what we're working on. And that's beautiful. So I really want you to take advantage of PassiveClass. I really want you to take advantage of this free rotator system. Again, there's only 100 spots available. So get in now. And and by the way, you're getting into PassiveClass right now. You're not getting into my rotator right now. Because this is the catch. This is the catch. There has to be a catch, right? With thousands of people coming through seeing this video right now, there has to be a catch, and here it is. I'm going to give you instructions on how to get into my rotator in one of the 10-day lessons. And you don't know which of the 10-day lessons it's going to be. That means you need to keep tuning in. You need to keep opening the PassiveClass emails and going in and going through the course. Okay, I want you going through the course, watching my videos, and in one of those days, I'm going to give you instructions on how to get into my rotator. Okay? And so it's as simple as that. You need to get into PassiveClass right now, and you need to get yourself educated and start setting yourself up for success right now, because you can do so much better than I'm going to do for you in my rotator. This can just be supplemental hands-free income for you over time. Okay? But what I teach you inside of PassiveClass is going to put you at boss level. It'll put you at freaking boss level. I guarantee you that if you follow along. Okay? But that's not to say that you have to invest in anything or jump through any hoops whatsoever to participate in my rotator system. I'm doing this for the first 100 takers, and then as people's 100 day as people's 1 month expires, then their link will be swapped out with a new person's, okay, with a new participant's. So that's a beautiful, beautiful thing, and this is going to provide you with income you don't even have to work for at all, okay? But I want you going through, pardon me, I want you going through those PassiveClass videos and learning how to take this to boss level, because I don't believe in treating internet marketing like it's a career. I believe treating internet marketing like it is a situation-changing event. Like it is, like I want you to get rich. Okay? I don't want you to make a little bit of money right now for a while, and then someday, in the year 2025, 2026 or something, internet marketing becomes a thing of the past, and now you just lost your career. I don't want that. I want you to get rich within the next few years so that you never have to work again and you never have to worry about it ever again. And that's what I'm going to teach you to do inside of the PassiveClass 10-day coaching program. Okay? So go in every day, and in one of those days, I'll show you how to get into my rotator for free. So you're going to start making money for free. You're going to start building your list, if you so desire, for free. Okay? And when I say for free, I mean it's not even going to cost you any labor. It won't even cost you any effort. I'm doing all of it for you. Get in now. Click the buy button below. Even though you're not really buying anything, it's $0. Click that button. Get into PassiveClass right now. You will thank the hell out of yourself in the very near future. That I can promise you. But you gotta take action. You gotta go full on with this, okay? So get into PassiveClass right now. I'll greet you on the other side, and we'll have some fun together. Thanks a lot.